Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to export backlog or issues and tickets to Excel in Jira. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Jira project. This is where you manage and view all project details and issues. At the top navigation bar, click on the All Work tab to see the list of issues in your project. Depending on the size of your project, this list can be large, so it's helpful to refine it before exporting. Use filters to narrow the results. You can filter by project name, issue status, or assignee. Once your filters are applied, access the desired task. Then, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots. Inside the drop-down menu, you'll see options like Export Excel CSV or Export Word document. Choose the one that best fits your needs. The file will then download automatically. Open it in Excel or another spreadsheet application to analyze and manage your data. So that's basically how you can export backlog or issues and tickets to Excel in Jira. That's it for this video. Thanks.